morning to all of you. And firstly, I would like to thank the organizers of this community, of this conference, for giving me this opportunity. As he told, my topic is multiculturalism, an instrument for creating peace and harmony in society. As we know that in present time, we are facing communal violence, ethnic violence, and conflict in every part of the world. So my paper highlights the concept of multiculturalism and also examines that how multiculturalism plays a great role in creating peace and harmony in society. Literally, multiculturalism means that several different cultures can coexist with together. And multicultural societies depend on mutual understanding and engaging proactively in other communities, and mutual understanding and cooperation between different communities, respecting one another, interpersonal differences related to behavior. In present times, most of the countries are internally plural. Through multiculturalism, these communities can live with each other peacefully. In early 1970s, multiculturalism emerged in the Western countries, and it has its origin in the Western countries because the term multiculturalism is mostly used with reference to the Western countries. This concept of multiculturalism was originated in the Western societies. European countries' legal systems and culture policies respond to these efforts in many different ways. Respecting identity, politics, driving groups' rights seems to be the most common approach, resulting in the creation of a multicultural societies. As we know that there is a need of cooperation among different communities to live with each other. In Western countries, multiculturalism has successful results. As one political thinker said, multiculturalism is understood neither as a political doctrine with programmatic content, nor a philosophical school with distinct theory of man's place in the world, but as a perspective on a way of reviving of human life. Multiculturalism is also used as an umbrella term to characterize the moral and political claims of a wide range of disadvantaged groups, including Africans and Americans, women, gays and lesbians, and the disabled. In the present time, different cultures are coming close to each other. Globalization is playing a very important role in bringing together different civilizations and traditions. It encourages the idea of promoting multiculturalism. The contemporary period of globalization has increased migration, which promotes multiculturalism. Western countries like Australia, United States of America, Britain, Canada are such countries that made commitment to follow the rule of assimilation or multiculturalism. The United States used the term melting point as a synonym of the assimilation. Assimilation refers to common sentiment, behaviors, culture, and attitudes of the people living in the same society. Australia is widely known as a country of immigration, and great majority has come from Europe. It has become a multicultural nation. Assimilation promotes incorporation of the migrants in the host society. Australia has also adopted this policy as an official policy. Government declared Australia as a multicultural society in 1973 and introduced multicultural policy. The government enforced policies regarding multiculturalism in Australia. Canada also adopted multiculturalism in 1973. The Canadian Royal Commission on Bilingualism and Biculturalism is often referred to as the origins of modern political awareness of multiculturalism. Canada has different types of people belonging to different races, religions, and culture. The Canadian government followed the multiculturalism ideology because it emphasized on the social importance of immigration. In Canada, more immigrants come to search for a better life. The population naturally becomes more diverse. Canada is the first country that adopted multiculturalism as an official policy. Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam is the Sanskrit word which means the whole universe is one family. Since the Vedic period, India adopted a culture of worship, respect, and peaceful coexistence with all other communities, preaching different religions, practicing different customs and conventions, and here emerges what is called multiculturalism. As we know that India is culturally, religiously, and linguistically one of the most diverse countries in the world. According to the Indian Constitution, all persons have equal rights, equal political and religious rights. Multiculturalism also plays a very important role in building a harmonious environment and a new culture of peace. Social harmony is an integrative value in a global information society which unites in itself love, peace, justice, freedom, equality, brotherhood, cooperation, non-violence, tolerance, humanism. According to multiculturalists, cultures are overlapping and interactive, but it also maintains that belong to distinct societal cultures and wish to preserve these cultures. Multiculturalism is also identified for equal status for all communities and equally among communities. It respects differences in society. Globalization means interconnectedness of social aspects, political aspects and economic aspects together. Globalization also promotes multiculturalism in the world. And finally, I would like to conclude my paper. In Western countries, multiculturalism is used as a set of strategies to fight against racism and protect minorities of all types. Multiculturalism can create a new identity, that's a global citizen. In Western countries, there is a tolerance of behavioral differences and religious differences among different communities. There is a belief that all immigrants would assimilate in the same way. Multiculturalism should be included in daily classroom teachings. Multiculturalism can be seen as a modern expression of those political principles that allow for both majority rule and respect for the rights of minorities. Both communities can live with the peace and harmony. Multiculturalism represents the latest stage towards the abstract conceptualization of our social identity. Thank you.